This is how you can put text behind a person using my favorite video editing app, Capcut. First of all, import your video. Select text and then type the text that you require. Adjust its size and style to your liking. Now, adjust the length of the text layer to match your video layer, like so. And that's stage 1 complete. You should now be left with something looking like this. It's time to export this video. Now, open a new project and import the video you just exported. Using the overlay key, add the original video. Adjust the size of the video to match the original video. You can do this with your fingers, just pinch and zoom in. Highlight the video you just imported, click cut out and then remove background and let Capcut do its magic. And you should now be left with something like this. Walking in front of the text, easy when you know how, huh? Like and follow for more video tips.